Hello, everyone. Thank you. I will share my commitment to meaningful innovation that delivers value, convenience, and joy to our customers. For me and my team, there's nothing we love better than creating the next new Note. A smartphone powerful enough to keep up with you wherever you are, whatever you are doing, whatever you need. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to present the all-new Galaxy Note 9.
Since the beginning, the Note series has always been at the cutting edge of new technology. And today, we're redefining expectations all over again with the most powerful phone we've ever made, the Galaxy Note 9. For people who pack a ton into every moment, Note lets you do more. That's why we made the screen 6.4 inches, the largest ever on a Note. And of course, Note 9 features an end-to-end display, which means you get a larger canvas for writing with your S Pen or watching YouTube video. When it comes to color, this year we went big and bold. You can choose from 4 cool new colors. Ocean blue with a yellow S Pen, which is my favorite, lavender purple, metallic copper, and midnight black. Each designed to reflect the forward-looking style that Note users are looking for. We also added a flash of color to one of Note users' favorite features, and one that I use all the time, screen off memos. You shouldn't have to plan your day around your phone's battery life. That's why we created an all-day battery, the largest ever on a Note. No more worrying that your GPS will die right when you need it most. No more begging coworkers to borrow a charger. The Note 9 starts at a minimum of 128 gigabytes. With that amount of storage, you could download close to 670 hours of movies and TV shows. That's enough to get you through 30 round-trip flights from New York to Madrid. And that's just to start with. You can also get a 512 gig version. That's the one that I want. Just like its predecessors, Note 9 also comes with expandable storage. And get this, soon with Samsung's upcoming 512 gig micro SD card, you'll be able to get as much as 1 terabyte of memory. 1 terabyte. That's more than most laptops.
Yeah, what really excites us about this partnership is that Samsung makes the best performing Android devices in the world. And the Note 9 represents a real revolution for mobile gaming that brings a console-quality, 100-player Fortnite experience to Android. Now, Epic Games has always been on the cutting edge of mobile gaming. And together with Samsung, we're ushering mobile gaming into a new era of high-end games for gamers. And we can't wait to see how players around the world enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Note 9's camera also uses scene recognition to identify different subjects like flowers, food, a variety of landscapes, and then based on the scene, it optimizes the color tones so that every shot you take is Instagram ready. All right, 1, 2, 3. Maybe our album cover? Yeah, all right, there we go. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, looking good. Let's see. Perfect. Yeah, there we go. Well, you might have noticed that I took those photos without even touching the phone. I used this. Since the very first Note, the S Pen has been an essential tool for power users who want to do more with their smartphone. And as you just saw, the new S Pen has some pretty cool new functions. That's because now it supports Bluetooth Low Energy to turn it into the ultimate remote control. In fact, I've been controlling this presentation with my S Pen. I know, pretty cool, eh? Check it out. I can go backwards. I can go forward. All with a simple click of the S Pen. To charge the S Pen, just put it back in your phone. A full charge takes less than a minute and lasts a whole half hour. Even better, you don't have to charge it to use all the other S Pen features you already know and love. These days, your phone is basically like a supercomputer that fits in your pocket. So why not extend that computing power to a bigger screen? The only thing you need to start DeX is this. That's right. All you need is a single HDMI adapter, just like the one you'd use to connect your phone to a TV. Let me show you. Mr. Doodle is using what we call the dual canvas experience on DeX. We created it with the Adobe Photoshop Sketch team. Now, it's easy to add the fine details that you can draw on the Tab S4 screen while seeing the bigger picture on the big screen. How's it going there?
Yeah, just a few more details and then it'll be finished.
Awesome.
There we go.
Why don't we go on stage and check it out?
Awesome.
Nice.
Oh,
Wow.
People love that the Galaxy Watch looks like a real watch. With our signature circular bezel and rotating design, it's more than an aesthetic. It's an intuitive way to control your watch. You can choose between 2 different sizes, any number of straps, and over 60,000 watch faces from the Galaxy App Store.
From the very beginning, Bixby was designed with a simple purpose: to help you get things done. We are continuously refining Bixby, so now on Note 9, it is more conversational, more personal, and useful. Bixby won't replace your best friend, I hope, but it is designed to do similar things. For example, I need good restaurants in New York.
There are some restaurants in New York, New York.
Voila! Bixby knows that I like French food, so it listed a French restaurant at the top. Let's check it out. It looks great. There's wine and cheese, and also some Belgian food as well. I want to make a reservation, so let me press the button at the bottom.
Should I make the reservation?
As you can see, Bixby has already filled in the number of people in my party and the reservation time based on my previous bookings. All I have to do is tap the Reserve Table button.
Reservation details sent to email.
That's it. This is what I mean by more personal.
Hi, Bixby. Play music.
all the sound you just heard came from these 160 Galaxy Homes. So when we designed this speaker, we set out to deliver high-quality sound. Thankfully, with the AKG, every aspect of Galaxy Home is engineered to make your music sound amazing. It has elegant circular form factor with 6 mid to high-range speakers that send the sound in every direction. And it has a subwoofer that provides deep, rich bass as well. As I mentioned before, the Galaxy Home also has Bixby and the SmartThings Hub built right in. So it gives you instant access to the largest open ecosystem of smart devices using only your voice. So it is as easy saying, "Hi, Bixby."
When we created Spotify, we had a simple goal. It was to make music accessible to everyone while supporting the artists who created it. And we think music should be easy to access on all of your devices. And we want it to be as seamless to switch from one device to another. So the partnership we're announcing with Samsung today is a true cross-platform listening experience.
We believe the future of connected devices and seamless experiences begins here and begins now. From the speakers for your home, to the watch on your wrist, to the music you listen, and the phone that powers your life. Everything you've seen here today is a step forward into an open and connected world of experiences powerful enough to keep up with you.